The E3 error code in HP printers indicates a carriage jam, meaning the ink cartridge is stuck and unable to move properly. This issue can occur due to several reasons, including paper jams, incorrect installation of ink cartridges, or foreign objects obstructing the carriage's movement. To fix the E3 error, start by clearing any paper jams. Open the cartridge access door, locate the carriage, and carefully remove any visible paper scraps or debris from the carriage path. Check the rollers and feed tray for stuck paper as well. After clearing the paper jam, close the cartridge access door and try printing again. Next, inspect the printer for any foreign objects that might be obstructing the carriage movement, using a flashlight if necessary, and remove any found objects carefully. Additionally, check the ink cartridges by opening the cartridge access door and ensuring all cartridges are properly inserted and seated firmly in their slots. Remove and reinsert each cartridge to ensure proper alignment, and replace any damaged or leaking cartridges with new ones. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the E3 error and get your printer working again.